Hi, for today's teardown, this, yes, one more aircraft instrument. We have here a air nautical miles indicator, which might actually be a newer version of that, which is just a simple mechanical counter actuated by a solenoid. I might have a video about this one. It is a classic British instrument and still available on eBay. Quite a common one. But today we will have a look at this one. So nice regular case here. It is made by Elliott Computer Company. So it is called the Air Nautical Miles Indicator. Serial number seems to be 19 from 68. We have a WD-40 cap over the connector, which is interesting. And something unusual, as you can see, the case is attached with Allen screws. It is not every day you find Allen screws on aircraft instruments. So we have the reset button here, which will allow to set it back to 0. And we have a test button here. So let's undo the screws. It will be pretty quick. Very little Allen screws, maybe the 2 millimeters flavor. The sticker is coming off a little bit by the way. And one of them is a little bit rusty. Yes, I have the same screwdriver than Big Clive. But they are nice quality. I had a set of bits like so, but I broke the actual screwdriver that was provided with it. It was a plastic one. And I was left with all the bits and no screwdriver. Okay. So, what will we have in this thing? Can you guess? We must have mechanical parts, some kind of an actuator, and probably some electronics to control it. And interesting, it is just very tight. Okay. So, here we are. As always, very nice case with no... It is not even possible to tell where there is a weld in this case. Very nicely made, and not sure they do it. So here is what we have. Yes, as expected. The front part obviously that contains the big drums for the counter. Some wires here going in the front, probably for the backlight. We have actuator piece here, so you can see the construction. It is a stack of backplate PCBs, front plate on the front of the case. So where to start? Yes, the front, mechanical structural plate here. I can see micro switch here for the test button. Nice gears going to this. It is a stepper motor dually. It's called a stepper motor. A bunch of wires coming out from it. Nice ball bearing at the back. And 3 PCBs. So the last one we have. There is a hole in the middle, obviously, for the connector. We have quite nice capacitors here in a clear case. Polyester capacitors, probably. We have these parts which are totally not identified. Blocks of resin with 2 wires coming out from them. Yes. a bunch of them. Here more. We have a middle PCB with a few transistors, resistors, and look at this, guys. Here, nice surface mount. I see. Maybe there is another one. Yes, here. And not sure if it is a date code. Yes, date code of 6733. So must be one of my oldest ICs in stock. And there are more of them here on the other PCB. These ones are completely golden package, while these ones are ceramic and gold. These ones are completely gold. Really nice. Apart from this, on this PCB, just one big capacitor, more capacitors here, and transistor, resistors, nothing special. Other side is just tracks. And we have here one edge connector, probably for testing purpose. You can see, obviously, it has been used. It is not completely new, so it did have a purpose at some time, obviously. Okay, we have the structural rods here, which are bolted with insulator plastic on over them. Nice cable ties here in some kind of black string. And the regular pink British heat shrink. Here, this part I did not show, some kind of yes, transformer bolted to this PCB. Okay, and yes, we have two golden PCBs here. You can see just in the middle of your screen, and three ceramics, one on the other PCB. So quite a nice item. It is still possible to find it on British eBay. I did pay 20 euros for this one. So what I can do is test the backlight for you. Because obviously we have a connector here. So it is interesting, look. There are cable retainers here which were not used. The wire is not coming in through them. And here, for some reason, it is attached with some white cock, or whatever you call it, white sealing material, soft. Not the best work at this area. Not sure why. In fact, they did not route the cable. For instance, here there is plenty of space, and then you could have the connector attached along here. Should be much nicer, but quite weird. In particular, when you consider that the two black wires go back here and come here. So really, quite a weird setup why they did this like so. So I will try to disconnect. Yes, quite easy. Very little connector, but I will apply some power to it and we will see if yes or no it is lighting up. It is the only test I can do easily with this thing, so let's do it. If it is from 1968, I do not expect to have LEDs in the backlight, so no polarity issues here. But still, I must be careful with possible short circuit issue. Yes, it is okay really. We have light, so I will cut my bench light and you can see what it does. like so. I am at 10 volts here, and it is lighting pretty well, except we have some dust or something inside the glass. It is not perfectly clean, but if I want to open it, it looks like I have to drive out a pin here, and it might be a little bit difficult. And this button, I have no idea about how it will come off. Probably here you have to do something with another pin, so it should be pretty tedious to undo. So I am not sure if I will do it or not so far. I believe I will keep it in the current condition. Okay, so a nice little instrument. Always interesting to look at the construction of these things. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.